proudly wearing my Canadian tuxedo today because it's National Caesar Day. Welcome back to my channel. Here I hold my favorite cocktail, the Caesar, also known as the Bloody Caesar. Invented in 1969 by Walter Chell, he invented the drink while working at the Calgary Inn to help promote the new Italian restaurant that was opening up. This drink's popularity caught on so quickly, it spread throughout the country, and in 2010, the Caesar became Canada's national cocktail. May 14th, 2020, National Caesar Day. National Caesar Day is celebrated the Thursday before Victoria Day. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my version of the Caesar. I don't use the pre-made Clamato juice. I actually make my own, and I'm going to show you how I do it. No preservatives, no additives, artificial colors, MSG, none of that. This is the good stuff. Let's get going. What's in my Caesar mix? Well, I'm going to show you. It all starts with the tomato juice. I'm using a can of tomato juice. It is 1.36 liters or 48 ounces. Here I have 236 milliliters of clam juice or 8 ounces. You can find the clam juice in your grocery stores in the canned meat section. I have 3 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of liquid Canadian Gold, maple syrup. This is a Canadian cocktail, our national drink after all. Here I have 3 tablespoons of dill pickle juice, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce or Worcestershire sauce. It's that hard to say thing. Add that in. Freshly squeezed. This is the juice of 1 lime. My favorite hot sauce. You can use Tabasco sauce, of course. That's very classic. Use whatever you like. Tabasco, your favorite type of hot sauce. Now for my dry ingredients. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon of Montreal steak spice. 3 teaspoons of onion powder. I have a half of a teaspoon of ground cumin. Give it a good mix. Cover and let it chill overnight or 12 hours. I like to chill mine for a minimum of 24 hours. Gets it really nicely marinated. The Caesar mix has chilled in the fridge for 24 hours. Now I'm ready to strain it, which will help prevent large bits of spices from getting lodged in your teeth. That's the stuff I don't really want in my finished drink. Oops. I'm going to start by rimming the glass. Of course, you don't have to rim your glass if you don't like. Classically, you would use a lime or lemon and go on the outside of the glass and then dip it in some celery salt. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dip my glass in some maple syrup, classically Canadian. Dunk it in some Montreal steak spice. Look at that. I'm going to add ice. 6 to 8 cubes is good. Classically, you'd use vodka. Of course, you can also use tequila. Some people add bourbon or gin. Vodka is just right for me. Tequila also tastes really great. I add cumin to my mixture because I like to pair it with that. I'm going to add a shot of vodka, or 1.5 ounces. The best thing about pre-mixing the Caesar mix like this is that you don't have to go to a bunch of fuss to make a single drink. Great for parties, just add ice, spirit of your choice. Fantastic. I'm going to add the Caesar mix now, about 6 ounces. Quick stir. I'm adding bacon. 2 of these spicy pickled beans. My take on a classic Canadian cocktail, the Caesar. Happy National Caesar Day. See you again next time.